Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Ethereum USDT trade pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, now on Twitter it's so popular this post about a golden cross, about a death cross, about a golden cross. So here, golden 1,300% gains, death cross minus 30% gains, golden cross 90% gains. Here's a death cross. So it's a 2 weeks time frame, 50 EMA. Across the 20 EMA. No, I guess 20 EMA across the 50. All right, let's double check. So first of all, on where this one is here, this one is a blue one, is 20. All right, so here 20 EMA on a 1 week time frame across the 50 EMA. So the red one is 50. Got it. And we dump it that time exactly at 38 level by Phoebe here. We dump it not from the cross. We count the buy candle. So we already dump it 44%. Got it. If we use like 2 weeks time frame, so 2 weeks time frame, it's like 1 week. It's 14. It's 24 days. So it's 288 minutes. So it's a day minutes, right? And now, so it's 17K 280. So this is a 2 weeks time frame. Why? Let's check. Add a custom internal weeks. So let's add the custom one. 2 weeks. Got it. So here, this is a 2 weeks. So this guy tell us we should drop 30% down. All right, 30% down. It's around here. 1K and 500. I don't know. Looks strange. For me, it looks strange because take a look. We just float in the air, so nothing. So we close the full fill of 2 weeks gap. We just stop at random place. Looks weird. What do we got here? So last time it's happened here in September 2022. But guys, let's be real. It was a totally different time. The BTC dominance being not at 65%. Here, it's happened at November 18. 53% drop. Here's nothing. So 53% drop. We can confirm here was like, let's say this one in average, 40% drop. And this is a third time. Honestly, guys, I don't believe in it, and I don't think so. We will see something like this one. Honestly, I don't think so. If we will drop, let's go to the 1 month time frame. So what we can see here? We hold the line at 50 EMA on the monthly. So we drop on the 0 level, grab this liquidity. So the next stop is only 18 level by FIP and 27 block. Base it on the sentiment now around, base it on the macro, base it on what's happening in the world. Is it possible? So we should drop like this one to 27 block? Basically, yes. Is it possible? So we should drop like this one to 1K 500? Yes. Why? I have no idea. That's why I don't think so. We should drop here. So I think if we will drop, we're gonna drop to the monthly buy line, and the monthly buy line now exactly at 1K at this current moment. So this is what do I think about the price target for Ethereum. But I don't believe we're going to drop that low. Local one, we can drop at a test the buy line on the weekly. Yes, it's possible. It's 1K 839. It's possible. But I wish to see the continuation of the trend. If we talk about the gaps, so here, this is a weekly time frame. Here, We almost test the 0.5 level by fib. Basically not good. Not good. So I wish to see, of course, the test of 0.5, 2K999, and maybe even lower drop. Anyway, it will be not a, I don't know, 1K500 in any case. Daily time frame. Daily time frame looks more bearish. At this current moment, the buy line is 1K457. So this line are dynamic. Got it. So, like conclusion, based on this theory, you know what the people shell now in Twitter, the drop to the buy line can be, yes, it's possible to see the drop in altcoins. The BTC dominance going to 70%. The zone where more than okay accumulated Ethereum is 1K451 and 27 block. So nothing basically changed, nothing special, right? It's the zone's absolutely still the same. 12 time frame, we are now at the 0 level. So should we drop to 0 level to 1K700? Yes, of course we can. But at the same time, I'm waiting the continuation to 0.5 level by fib, 3K285 and 86 and 78 level by fib. This one, global one, zone of local fixation swing, and continuation to new all-time high, 6K285 and 9K991. I don't believe in 10K for Ethereum. So this is it, guys. Based on what we should drop that low, I have no idea. But it's possible. Everything possible in crypto. Trade on. Sell, buy back, bounce, buy back, bounce. Now nothing. All right. Daily. Buy, take profit, sell, buy back. And can we drop, of course, to 0 level? Yes, of course, it's possible. But we should drop on some news, on some bad news. Accumulation. On a daily, here's a money inflow. It's a good one. This is how it played out, the previous money inflow. Weekly, it was so obvious to out of Ethereum. Now the money inflow was at 1K754, normal one. And we're just in the middle. So without any money inflow. So, like conclusion, guys, even with the money power indicator. So capitulation, it's 847, 1K132, 27 block. Most positive case scenario if we just hold the line and continue rally higher, but we need to see the BTC dominance going down finally. That's the point. So now I'm more bullish on Ethereum than bearish. Personally, for me, it looks more bullish. Positive. So this is not a free, not some craziness, not even a trill. So this is just a positive optimism, something like this one, some hope. So this was disbelief capitulation. Capitulation is a great one. This is disbelief downs. So now we're around here or around here. That's it. And the last two indicators, guys, is ADZ direction. Here, on whole history, what we can track it here. Accumulation, what happened next, you know. Accumulation, and here, the people accumulated Ethereum more even than it was in January 2023 and December 2022. Got it. Pretty good one. Here's accumulation, and accumulation. So now we're in the middle. Daily. Here's accumulation pump. Time to sell, drop. Here's the accumulation. An ADZ, accumulation, and accumulation by direction. Now, nothing on direction. That's why if we drop, it's going to be the 1K700. But I wish not to see that drop. So 1K700, more than okay, accumulate for the spot or open position. 1K132, 847, it's investment zone again. Distribution time is here. Pretty simple. So guys, write us in a comment what you think about Ethereum. Do you believe in the death cross or not? If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.